Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Valorant critical error has occurred message. So Valorant critical error has occurred and you receive this error message. Then let's go quick into the process. So continue the video and see as to what method will work for you. So in the Windows search bar, type here services. Click on it under the best match. Now simply scroll down to the V section and look for the VGC service. So once you find the VGC, make a right click, select properties. Startup type, make sure this is automatic. If it has stopped running or if it is not yet running, click on start. If it is already running, click on stop. Click on start. To restart the service, then you have to click on apply and click on OK and simply close this window. Then we also need to make sure that the graphics card driver is updated. So what we can do, make a right click at the start button, select device manager in the list of options. Now here in the device manager window, locate the display adapter. So this is where you can find your graphics card driver. So you might have a different graphics card driver, but that is just the same. The process is just the same. Make a right click, select update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close this. And do not forget to update your Windows. So click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update. Then simply click this button right here. So this will check, download, and install all the latest updates for your Windows, which is a very good thing. Now once you're up to date, close this. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar, type here CMD. On the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. Do not forget to run the command prompt as an administrator because this is very important for the command to work. So type here NATSH space winsock space reset, hit enter. Next command, IP config space / flush DNS, hit enter. Successfully flushed DNS resolver cache, type exit, hit enter. And then finally, you have to locate your Valorant desktop icon, make a right click, select show more options, click on properties. Now click on the compatibility tab and here you'll find this option, disable full screen optimizations. Run this program as an administrator, click on apply and click on OK. Then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And after that, launch again the Valorant game and this time the problem will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.